Alright, today we're going to do a video of our 1224 Harig EZ-SurfII surface grinder. It's a model EZ-SurfII, serial number 103-24. It's new in 1998. We're going to start your main spindle. That's running. Now we're going to go into jog. You can manually move with the electronic hand wheels, both Y and Z, and then you also have your, if you were to use it as a manual, you set your stops for the table through the machine. We're going to run just a quick basic surface grind. Go to its position. You see the table stepping. Going to step down, go back. This has the ability to do conversational programming. You can do basic plunge grinds, surface grinds, assorted other options. Go back up. The table goes to its home position, and that's it. The machine's also equipped with an OS Walker chuck controller, electromagnetic chuck. Thank you for watching the video.